VRC School by VR Labs in partnership with Slightly Dev. VR Labs and Slightly Dev have partnered together to make a comprehensive guidebook on how to identify, create, and distribute animations and avatars across Unity. Never before has there been an encyclopedia of this type of material where people can freely go to their website, VRC School, to learn about the basics of Unity animation, 3.0 avatars, and other related concepts. If you've ever been curious about learning how things work in Unity or what a certain term means, this is the place. Everything from animator controllers to avatar rigging to how to implement toggles to even learning about parameters and how they function. The website's layout is easy to follow and the articles are categorized and titled to help you find certain information you may be looking for. This is also an honorable mention, but VRC Library is another fantastic place to go and study and research. But VRC School dives a little bit deeper into the avatar creation sector and leans to be more on the open-sourced side. As far as I know, you can consider this the Library of Alexandria of ancient times. You can find a lot here, and they'll keep adding more and more articles as time passes, so go check them out. Just go to vrc.school in the URL above and start learning today.